fish. Ayun, malinis na. Good as new na yung car. Good as new. Malinis na siya.